So let's try, my amigos and amigas, this a awfully chocolate banana cake. So this one I sliced it already, by the way. So blow the candle. I slice it over here. So look at the inside of it. See, it's very chocolate and very moist inside. The yellow, by the way, that you can see inside, I think that's the flavor of the banana. This one. So time to try it. Alright. So this one, my amigos and amigas, the awfully chocolate banana cake. Here. Oh my god, it's very yummy, my amigos and amigas. The cream on it, I mean the frosting, the chocolate frosting and the chocolate frosting and the combine of banana cake, really, it's so amazing. And it's not that so sweet at all. When I put in my mouth, it's a combination of a chocolate and banana, because here I told you before, this one is the banana, the yellow, and the others are chocolate. It's very sinfully yummy, I can say. For all the chocolate lover, I think I can recommend, I can suggest that you try the awfully chocolate cake. Very amazing. So delicious as well. Sorry, my mouth is full. And I cannot stop myself from eating it. The one thing that I like is you still can taste it, the banana here. And it's very moist. I cannot get enough of it. The best I can say. That's why awfully chocolate is very famous here in Singapore. The price is okay because really you can enjoy it. If you're gonna ask me, my amigos and amigas, what can I say about the rating on it? I can say 10 out of 10, my amigos and amigas, because I'm enjoying now. And I like it. The best, I like the frosting and the banana flavor of it. It costs only 37 or 38, I forgot the price already. So that one is the banana chocolate cake from Awfully Chocolate. Now let's try the Awfully Chocolate cookie. It's my favorite as well, my amigos and amigas. This one. When I go to the store, I just saw this one, so I said to myself, I want to try it too. This one, Awfully Chocolate. It says here, born in Singapore, made by hand. So guess it's a home bake. So let's try it, my amigos and amigas, the cookies from Awfully Chocolate as well. Cookies taste like cookies. Still got the flavor of chocolate here and the little the texture is okay. I mean, when you put it in your mouth too, it's not that hard. It's okay too. There's a little tiny chocolate inside. This one, a little chocolate here. Hang with the cake, my amigos and amigas. It's not that so sweet. It's okay. I mean, if you're on a diet, try this. I mean, it will not gain you a lot of pounds. So flavor, what can I say about the taste of the cookie? It's 8 out of 10. It's a unique taste, by the way, unlike other cookies. For me, if I want to eat it again, the cookies, I would prefer it drinking it with some milk, because that's what I do, but I have no milk. Or try it. But the best of all, my amigos and amigas, is the cake. I really enjoy this one, so I guess I need to take another slice. I cannot stop myself because it's really tasteful, awesomely sinful, and awfully delicious, my amigos and amigas. So this cake, 10 out of 10, and the cookies, 8 out of 10. So I will enjoy a lot. Very beautiful presentation. So that's my rating on it, on Awfully Chocolate. So about the packaging as well, my amigos and amigas, a while ago I unboxed the banana cake, right? So the packaging is so minimalist. I like it. And the chocolate cookies, I like the container as well. Yeah, I like it. So it signifies the Awfully Chocolates. The writing here, it's a gold one, and also with a black, same as the cartoon of the chocolate. Awfully Chocolate. Thank you for watching this video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video about my rating on the Awfully Chocolate, give it a thumbs up and comment down below on the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me.